Hey guys, thanks for joining me. Today we're going to be installing our Cobb SF intake. We're going stage 1 with the WRX, see how we go. Cool, so first of all the parts laid out. You have your heat shields, you have your silicon inlet, you have your filter, a bracket there as well, a few stickers and stuff like that from Cobb. Of course you're going to get stickers. You got your intake pipe with the plastic one up in the top left hand corner, filter, you got your metal connectors as well, and also a lot of hardware that goes with it. It does come with instructions. You don't necessarily need them, they do help a little bit, and we'll get to installing it. Cool, so once you've opened up the hood and everything like that, you're going to want to look at taking off the stock airbox funnel as well, also the stock airbox intake pipe, which can be a bitch. So a lot of plastic clips. You're gonna have to remove the MAF sensor as well. Just be careful with that one, it's very delicate. The inlet pipe there is a pain in the ass, so see how you go. This is what it basically looks like after I've taken off the stock airbox with the inlet, also in the plastic snorkel. You can then install the airbox with the provided hardware. Using the provided hardware, install the MAF into the inlet tube and then continue installing the intake filter. Install the remaining pieces of items using the clamps provided or the clamps that you had on your previous intake hose. You're not going to forget now that you need to tune it, so using the Accessport we're going to go from stage 1 to stage 1 plus SF, right? And because we're in Australia, I am currently using a minimum of sort of 95 octane that we have here, so the map that I'm running here is a 91 octane or a 95, so it's either. If I'm running a 91, I'm fine to run 98 fuel or even 95 fuel on it. Thanks for watching guys, don't forget to subscribe to watch more videos and I'll catch you on the next one.